Here's the deal, boys. Going to do some creek fishing for some smallmouth or whatever else bites. There's other fish in here, rock bass, bluegills, maybe a sucker, which would be kind of cool. I haven't caught one of them. I caught one here like last year. It was a nice one too. Maybe I'll get lucky and catch one of them. Today I'm gonna just be focusing. I'm using 2-ways, and I'm gonna try to see what I can catch on the 2-ways. I got some different variants. I got like a real micro one. I got like the normal size one, which is a micro one, and I got some different colors. So we'll see what happens. Yankee Lipper to be continued. Hey, there's a crankbait. There's a crankbait on there. What kind of crankbait is it? Or is it a whopper plopper? Kind of has that whopper plopper look to it. It is. It's a little whopper plopper. Caught in the freaking shit. It's caught in the shit. You gotta love that freaking bone whopper plopper right off the get-go. Might have to go to the deep hole. I don't know. That might get rocked. That might get rocked. There he is. There he is, boys. Yes, I knew he'd get rocked. Oh, it was a scrap iron. He threw it. He freaking chewed it, though. He chewed on it. There's a couple of little ones in there. He freaking chowed it. He chowed it. Oh, there's a bite. There's one. Oh, that's a better one. Oh, he threw it too. What the heck? Why am I not getting a hook in him? Better freaking kick that drag up a bit. That was just... He freaking hammered it. And he put the hook over the 2-way. That's really amazing, actually. He crushed it and the other part of the 2-way went into his mouth. And probably the cast before it was like that. There's a little pot of them in there. Probably gonna get one here. He got the 2-way too. All right, I'm done with that. Let's put this stretchy micro one on. I think I have it. Stretchy micro one. You're gonna keep eating all my 2-ways off. Might as well get some rubber band man. Rubber band man. Come on, come on. Let's try this micro one. Micro 2-way. These fish are not hitting the other one. They're hitting the regular 2-way, but they are not hitting the other one, that's for sure. That ain't nothing but like a little 1 foot deep deal there. There's one. I got that one on the rubber band man. Yep. I got you, brother. Rubber band man got you. You freaking shanked on that thing. Yes, you did. Oh yeah, between the legs, baby. Love them smallmouth, man. They are just so fun. Yes, Mr. 2-way. He freaking chewed on it. I love little 2-ways. See you later, brother. You freaking chowed on that thing, dude. There he is. Yes, oh, that's a big one, boys. That's a big crick fish. Oh, yeah, he freaking ate the 2-way. Oh, yes, that's a beautiful fish. Yes, boys. Yes, big old two-way fish. That's a beautiful creek smallmouth right there. Beautiful. You are a fighting fool, dude. Oh, you are you are a two-way fisher. Yes, sir, you are. Yes, sir. Yes, Mr. Smallmouth. Yes, sir. All right, you're done. You're done. Stop it. Stop fighting. I'll get you. You freaking waylaid that thing, dude. I don't know how I hooked you there, but it must have been on its way out. And I still got you. Right through the eye lobe. Right through the eyelid. Yes, sir. Nice freaking chunker. Get going. Get going. You're okay. Man, he hit that kind of in the shallow area. No idea. This area usually produces some fish, and some pretty good ones too. Got big ones in here. There's a bite. Yeah, there he is. That's not a bad one, boys. Yes, first cast in the freaking jing hole. Whacked me a little small jaw. Yes, Mr. Small Jaw. You freaking chewed on it, brother. Chewed on it. You chewed on it, buddy. You are a good boy. You chewed on the two-way. You love two-ways, don't you? This two-way is like invincible. I'm a little fat smallie, and I love two-ways. All right, buddy, let's go. Let's go. Go ahead, paddle up. Good job, buddy. Good job. Quit eating two-ways there. Not too good for your health. Not sure how good it is, but it's through. I'm going to do a Palomar and 3 overhands, because that's the knot you use if you can. Ugh. A lot of guys would tie a Palomar and leave it, but I'm telling you, from past experience, when you do that, you are risking it slipping. If you take the time, put these 3 overhand knots on top of your Palomar, you will get much better results as far as no line breakage. There he is, boys. Yes, sir. On the gizmo. Yes, sir. Freaking came up, ate it, went down before I even set the hook. Yes, sir. You freaking choked it, too. Freaking ate it. Down the gizzard. I love gizmos. Pretty sweet, though. They always eat at top water. Always. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, no, I got you. I got you. Now I'm good. Yeah. He freaking hammerized it. Hit the water and got freaking chowed. And it's a beaut. I mean, a beautiful smallmouth. Nice fish. Beautiful. You are beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Thanks for the shower, brother. You love it. Yeah, you freaking pancake that thing. That's what I'm talking about, boys. Beautiful smallmouth. on the gizmo. Choked it. Choked down the gizzard. Choked it. And my line was over my reel. My line was over the reel. And I couldn't reel. I had to fix it before I set the hook. Beautiful river creek fish. Beautiful creek fish. Alright, let's get a release on you. There you go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good boy. Way to freaking shank on it. That's what I'm talking about, Mr. Smalley. That's what I'm talking about. I got me a Smalley. Freaking terrorized it. Yes, sir. On the way back down, boys. On the way back down, got me a nice Smalley. Freaking annihilated it. Oh, he's tatted. He's got tats. You're tatted, buddy. Come on in. You're great. You're tatted. You're melanistic. You choked that thing, dude. Down your freaking gizzard. Chokerella. You are a choker. You are tatted up. Yes, you are. Tatted up, baby. And for eating the crushers, you freaking got it all right. Freaking terrorized it, you little buddy. Hey, yes, sir, you did. Beautiful little fish. Nice little bonus fish. Yeah, I saw. Old tattooer. Freaking chewed on that thing, dude. Coming down the creek and freaking rod just stopped. Hey, yes, sir. Got another one. Good one. Oh, there's smallmouth everywhere swimming now. Yeah, this freaking one's pulling drag. Yes, sir, boys. This is like, dude, it's right next to my bag. I should have never left. They're freaking teaming right here. Unless I freaking made them all come down the hole and they set up down here. You're freaking teaming right here. Come on, open up. It could be the color too. Could be the color. I got you. Come on. Come on. Come on, stop shaking. You are a fighter. Yes, you are. Nice fish. Two-way right in the choppers. The micro two-way. Yeah. Micro two-way right in the choppers. You love two-ways. He's got it and he's jacked. Yes, they're freaking all over this area. I just fished it too fast. They're freaking all over it. All over the two-way. Yes, boys. Yes, Smallies galore. Yes, dude, I caught 3 in like the last 2 minutes. Yes, great job, Smalley. They're chowing this freaking thing. Why are they all here all of a sudden? Freaking, like loads of them, like hordes of them. They're just in this area. And they just freaking dying. There's one. There's another one. There he is. Freaking, they're all over this spot. Freaking teeming in here. Yes, teeming in here. Why are they teeming in here? And why couldn't I catch them before? Yes, 5 fish in mere minutes. Yes, yes, boys. They're freaking teeming in this area. They're freaking chowing on shit. You just let it drift and they fucking that. There's a bite. There he is. Yes, yes, big two-way. Freaking checked him. Yes, I knew I'd catch one out of that little spot. There's a freaking good spot. That's why. That's why. Big two-way in the schnoz. Yes, dude, how did you try to choke that big of a bait? A little smallmouth? Stop closing your mouth so freaking hard. Crazy, man. Stop closing your mouth. I love two ways. Jeez. Freaking crazy thing right there, dude. Freaking nut job. There's a nut job right there. Nut job. Oh, it got freaking drilled. There he is, boys. Yes, two-way fish. Nice small jaw. Nice small jaw. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. You are a freaking maniac. I don't know where my two-way went, but you threw it somehow, or it's choked on your throat. I think you threw it somehow. You shook and you threw it, and you freaking gobbled that freaking thing, dude. You freaking chewed on it. All right, give me your mouth then. You're gonna be that way, give me your mouth. You got a bad eye. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Under your belly, will hold you nice and steady. You freaking chanked on the two-way. Chewed it. Enough fish. That'll conclude the crick. Go back in there and bet it, little guy. You're okay. Wow, that was freaking cool. That'll conclude the crick fishing adventures. Until next time, Yankee Lipper out.